As part of our ongoing improvements to enhance product durability, we've provided you with a service kit to help you easily replace and update your classified component. This straightforward process shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. You'll notice a black O-ring on the new through-axle cap. This is to replace the older orange one. We've developed this new O-ring to improve the sealing capacity of the through-axle. We strongly recommend replacing the old end cap to enhance waterproof. It is quick and will help water from entering. With the updates to the through-axle cap, we've also added a new tool to help the removal. This tool fits into the handle cap. Remove the through-axle from the frame, and then replace the end cap with the new one. A new black O-ring on the new satellite sprint button replaces the old transparent one. This black O-ring improves the sealing capacity of the sprint button jack inside the handlebar unit. It's thicker, it stays in place better, and it ensures that water cannot enter. Replacing it is simple and will significantly increase the unit's durability. To swap the O-ring on the jack of the handlebar unit, you will have to loosen the T5 screws on the handlebar unit and replace the unit from the drop bar end. You can slightly squeeze the edges to facilitate the removing of the unit from the casing. Use the T5 screwdriver to pull out the unit. Unplug the jack from the handlebar unit and replace the transparent O-ring with the black one. With these updates, you can continue riding in confidence.